folks. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of first impressions and the undeniable importance of appearance. Now, before you start rolling your eyes, hear me out. It's not just about looking good for the sake of it, it's about understanding how your appearance can shape perceptions and open doors, especially when it comes to attracting that special someone. So, picture this, you're out and about, minding your own business, when suddenly, you spot someone you'd like to impress. What do? Well, my friend, it's time to pay attention to the 6 crucial aspects that can skyrocket your appeal and attractiveness. And guess what? These tips aren't just pulled out of thin air, they come straight from a lifetime of experience. First up, let's talk about dressing to impress. Now, you might have heard the saying, the robes don't make the monk, but when it comes to catching the eye of a potential partner, your outfit matters more than you think. Believe it or not, the way you dress speaks volumes about your personality and lifestyle. So, whether you're going for casual, cool, or dapper and suave, choose your clothes wisely to reflect who you are and how you want to be perceived. Next on the list is grooming. Yes, the power of a good haircut and a well-maintained beard cannot be overstated. You see, while we can't change our faces, we can certainly spruce them up a bit. A neat hairstyle and some grooming TLC can work wonders in boosting your overall appearance and confidence. Trust me, nothing screams, "I've got it together," like a well-groomed look. Now, let's talk eye contact. They say eyes are the windows to the soul, and boy, are they right. When someone locks eyes with you, it's like they're peering into the depths of your being. So, don't shy away from making that connection. Hold their gaze with confidence, and watch as the sparks fly. But wait, there's more. Nonverbal cues play a huge role in how others perceive us. From our posture to our gestures, every move we make sends a message. So, stand tall, exude confidence, and let your body language do the talking. Of course, social interactions are key too. How you engage with others speaks volumes about your charisma and confidence. So, whether you're chatting up your crush or mingling with a crowd, show them what you've got. Last but not least, let's talk scent. Yes, you heard me right. Your smell can make or break a potential connection. So, always aim to smell fresh and inviting. A pleasant fragrance can work wonders in drawing someone closer. So, there you have it, folks. The importance of appearance in a nutshell. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, it's about putting your best foot forward and making a killer first impression. Trust me, with these tips in your arsenal, you'll be turning heads in no time.